friends is Teacher Lauren. I wanted to show you the plants at my mom and dad's house. They also have a succulent garden here, and a lot of them, like that one in the back there, and this one, and this one, and this one, have come from, that one there, have come from neighbors and friends. And this guy is really cool. He started out as just this big one, and then he has slowly grown these 3 little baby ones down underneath him, 4 baby ones, and they're getting so big. Since we've been out of school, this one and this one have both started growing, which is super cool. And then we have lots more of succulents, and there are like ones that are hidden underneath. It's pretty cool. And then there's like this guy who started growing, and then he has 2 that have come out from the base, and then he's got another one here and another one there that's come out, which is pretty cool. Down here, it's kind of tricky to see, but there's a cactus in there. This big flowery plant has taken over. You can't even see the cactus anymore. But when it's sunny, this flower opens up, and it's super cool. I'll put a picture in so you guys can see. And there's this guy. He's just getting really, really tall. My sister is not so sure about him because he's just really tall and he doesn't have any at the bottom. But he's leaving a lot of his leaves are dropping. Gotta pull those out. But he makes a nice little shady home for these little guys. So they like work together. Underneath here, there's a couple guys that are a little hidden by the basil here, but this guy right here, he's from a neighbor. I just stuck him in a couple of weeks ago, and he has rooted and done really well, which is exciting. And then over here, this is a Christmas cactus. So it's a cactus, but it has blooms on it. And these are ones that are not open yet, but then they start to open up. They're really cool. It's pretty awesome. My mommy doesn't really do much to this plant. She likes to say that when she gives it water, it'll bloom. Otherwise, it's just dormant, which means it's not making any flowers. I wanted to show you guys one last thing. If you remember, a couple weeks ago, I put some flowers or some plants, succulents, in the courtyard, and I was saying that it was a jade plant. This is the jade plant that those little babies came from. I went down inside into the base, and I picked out like some of those little babies that are down there, those little like suckers. Pulled a bunch out. But if you plant it, maybe one day it could be this big. All right, friends, love you, miss you, hope your plants are growing well. See you soon.